Welcome to this special unboxing edition of Chit Chat. We've got a box here with a figure. These are always exciting. Now this figure comes from Illinois. I live in California, so this had a little bit of a trip across the country, and I'm going to go ahead and open this up. Been excited about this. This is a figure that was made by Kevin Cutler. Kevin Cutler makes these soft figures. This is the second soft figure that I've ever bought. And this is also a first for me because it is a female puppet. So I saw this on Facebook a couple weeks ago, and I said I had to get her. So here she is. Hello. All right, let's get her out of the box. How was your travels?
Good, good. Yes, okay.
Wow, she's already got a voice. So here she is.
Yes, indeed. Yes, hello, everyone. I'm here in California now.
That's great. How is Illinois?
Great, really great.
Do you have a name yet?
No,
Why?
you haven't named me yet.
So this is my new figure. I'm very excited to have my first female figure, and again, my second soft puppet. It's wonderful to have you in the family, and we hope you enjoy your stay here in California. So you want to say goodbye to everybody?
Okay, goodbye.
Thanks for watching Chit Chat. We'll see you when?
Next time.
See you then.